Alright, fine. So welcome to this channel, Champions TVGH, whereby we go to the name Home of Creativity. We give you creative videos of technology since we are what in the technological world. Now, this video I'm just come to go straight to the point. We could all notice that MTN is currently giving us huge offers. Yeah, we can't purchase their offer anymore. I quite remember last 3 years when I bought their SIM card. Last 4 years. Yeah, when I bought their SIM card, I could notice that MTN, MTN, 3 CDs of their data bundle, their normal one is equivalent to 501 megabytes. So for that one, every Thursday I buy two, and mind you, every Thursday MTN gives you a terrific Thursday bonus. So if you don't know this, you can also try it. Every Thursday they have a terrific Thursday bonus. So I buy two, give me 1 gigabyte plus the bonus for like also 500 megabytes. You understand? So I get 1.5 gigabyte for 6 CDs. Just recently they have now 3 CDs is even less than 400 megabytes. 3 CDs is just equivalent to 300 megabytes. So let's say I want to do 400 megabytes, and I've derived a new way that you can buy data bundles, small amount of some prices, and they are cool. They are cool to do it. So follow me with this on this video to the end, and you might know this. This method I'm going to teach you is from two sources. Stay tuned as I flow you
I
through.
welcome everyone here to this channel, Champions TV GH. They respond home of creativity. Say it again. Home of creativity.
For this data bundle I'm going to teach you is very very simple. The first method I'm going to teach you is very easy. To those who are not having my contact, you can check through the comment section or the description. Yeah, you can check through my channel description. You see my WhatsApp number there, or I might even put it on my screen. You can check my number. You can text me either WhatsApp, Telegram, moreover I'm available on Facebook, Instagram, and the rest. Even you can even let me know in the comment section. I sell data bundles of which 1 gigabyte is equivalent to 7 CDs. Although it's expensive though, but you could try and afford that one. If the next method I'm going to teach you doesn't work, yeah, 1 gigabyte is 7 CDs. And if you want to learn that one, you can contact me as well. I'm ready to teach everyone. Now, the second method I'm going to teach you is very simple. Everyone has it on his phone. People use it, but some people are having problem with it. I'll teach those who doesn't know and those who know, but they still have problem with it. This method I'm going to teach you is called MTN Just4U. Vodafone or Telecel made it recently. They also have this offer, but theirs is known as MTN Made for You. You understand? Yeah. So, sorry, Telecel Made for You. So with this offer, we have a lot of offer, and the offer is meant for only you and MTN. You understand? Yeah, it's made for only you and MTN. So my offer might be different from yours. Currently, the trending offer in now is 80 pesos for 1 gigabyte, valid for 1 day. 80 pesos for 1 gigabyte, and of which this my phone here, this my SIM here, the MTN SIM in it has it. So let me first teach you the code for those who doesn't know it. For those who doesn't know it, and afterwards I'll teach those who know it but they do not have that offer. You understand? Right. So I'm moving straight to my phone. So as I'm taking you through my phone, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, like our videos, like our content, share this video to your friends who do not have it, and you can scroll through my other videos to check if maybe what I've taught recently might be in it. So let's move straight to what I want to teach today. So the short code for this simple, cheap, affordable data bundle is *141#. Yeah, *141#. And this code is called MTN what? Just for you. Don't worry, although I'm showing it here, but I'll still preview it into the camera. So my offers I have here is let's see, 95 megabytes, 180 pesos is too. It's expensive. It's expensive. You understand? Me, for instance, I fall victim to this expensive bundle sake of I use averagely 1.2 gigabytes a day. Averagely, let me say 1.5 gigabytes. And I have another offer here, 4.3, 4.8 megabytes, 7 days, 5 CDs. So cheap. I think the best one here is 890 megabytes for 1 day, 2 CDs, 50 pesos. I think it's cool, yeah. But it's not to my satisfaction, you understand? So I checked them all, 60.9 1 day, 1 CD. It's not to my satisfaction. 890.4 3 days, 5 CDs, not to my satisfaction. 130 megabytes 1 day, 2 CDs, not to my satisfaction. Let's check more. And the last one I have here is 521.7 1 day, 3 CDs. So let me show. This is the offer. This same year I'm using for the screen recording doesn't have the 1 gig, which is 80 pesos offer here. I think the next offer is the phone I'm using to capture this video. It has an offer which has 1.7 gigabytes, which is 3 CDs, 40 pesos. Yeah. So I will screenshot them to you. So if you want to get this offer on the phone here, dial the *14# again. To those who have it, who doesn't have it but they want to try it, just dial the *14# here. Then from the options or the offer that they'll give it to you, from the offers that they'll give it to you, just me, for instance, this offer 95.7 megabytes, 15 days, 160 pesos. I don't like it. So this is what I'm going to do. You are going to buy it no matter the price, you understand? Just buy the 1.8 gigabytes, 1.8 series, 160 pesos. You buy it, let me confirm. Yeah, okay. So you buy it, then you buy all. Sorry, okay. I think on the premium. Buy all the purchases, buy all the offer that you don't like from the Just4U. You understand? Yeah. Buy all the offers that you don't like. So if you buy it once and it's been exhausted, let's say I buy the new one have a 60.9 megabyte 1 day. So if I buy it now 2:19 p.m. it will vanish within 24 hours, which is tomorrow 2:20 p.m. 2:19 p.m. It's tomorrow. So if I'm able to use all today, then I'll purchase another one for another day, make it 2 solid days. And when you are buying, don't waste different time. Just make sure you buy it. Make sure you buy this 60 point. For instance, the 90 megabyte that I bought. After 15 days, immediately the 15 days is over, I'll buy another one. You understand? Making 48 hours. After you buy it, anything will see you are buying it, and they'll try to give you new changes. You understand? And in the new changes, they'll take off that one, then they'll give you a new one. Do you get what I'm saying? Yeah. They'll give you a new offer. So just buy all that you don't want for 2 times, then leave. They'll reshuffle it for you. Me, for instance, I was having 1 day 50 pesos for 1 day, 24 megabytes. I was having 60 megabytes, 15 days, 5 series. They were too small for me, so I bought them, or I think I've gotten this ones. And even for this ones, I still have the 60.9 megabytes here. I still have it, so I'll work on it again. So this is the way that you can get the 1 gigabyte. It's exactly 1 gigabyte, and it's for 1 day, which is 80 pesos. And I'm sure a lot of people would like to purchase that bundle. If you try this and that's way, please come back and comment in the comment section that it didn't work for you. And if you try it and it works for you, please don't forget to thank me in the comment section. Make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, Champions TV GH, and share this video to others to benefit them. Thank you. Champions TV, sharp.